this is Mike from Spectacular Science. In this tutorial we gotta go over using LED editor. Let's go ahead and get started here and double click on the shortcut. Once the program opens up, first you have to start with creating a new program. Click here, add a tab, and then click here, new window, click on file window. File window is used whenever you want it to display pictures, animations, videos, clip arts, etc. Text window is when you're displaying strictly text. Single line text window, this is when you have like a single line on the display. You can align it top, bottom, anywhere you want, and you can add another messages underneath it, either pictures, animations, or text, single text. Static text is the same thing as the single text. The only difference is static text doesn't move, scroll, or anything, just static. Okay, let's start with the file window here. Okay, once you choose the file window, you see the blue box here. The blue box is the size of the picture that you want to display. You can make it full screen, you can make it any size you want. So there's two ways to adjust this, either by dragging it left and right like that, or you can do it by code from here. Notice that now the x-axis is 46, y-axis position is 22. So if you put 0, move it to the left and put 0 to the y-axis, upright. So this is, that corner is the origin. Okay, the width of the display. Okay, in this example, the screen that I'm using is 176 pixels by 80 pixels, so that covers the whole screen. Okay, now for the frame, so this is like the border around the display. Now it is set to 1 pixel, 2 pixels thicker, 3 pixels, much thicker, and then you can change the color as well. So you do green, you see green, you can do red, choose red here, right there. Also, you can have like dashes, different styles of it, okay? Like, see that one? Okay. Now, under the file window, this is the file list right there, okay? And to add a picture, or what you have to do is click on this yellow triangle here, and it says add file. Click on it, and then it's gonna take you where you wanna add the picture. You gotta browse for the picture that you have saved on your computer. Okay, let's use this one, Spectacular Science background. Here you go, it's right there, it's already displayed. And once you choose this file, it gives you options, background. Okay, now you can change the background color, but in this example, since the picture covers the whole screen, so the background is redundant here. However, if you have like a picture that's 150 for instance, okay, now we change the background into red. Now it should show here as red. Okay, here you go, see, that's the background picture. Do black, that is black. Okay, now the effect. If you have zoom, as you can tell, the picture is going to be zoomed here, proportional. Okay, now change the background color to green. See, now you see the green here, it's more available right now. If you do stretch, this covers the whole screen. Tile, we just tile the picture. Zoom. So you have all these options. My favorite one is the stretch, which covers the whole screen. Okay. Now for the action is how do you want the picture to be displayed on the screen? Random. Random means you choose any of these ones. Every time is different, right? Let's say snow. Snow looks like a snow. Mosaic. Move left, and so on and so forth. Also, you can have a visual looking at it. So you have here 7 tables. Each table consists of these effects. So you can see the animation here. Like let's choose this one. That means it scroll off. Okay. Speed 3. Okay. Every 10 is equivalent to 1 second. So 3 is like a third of a second to be displayed. For 30, that means 3 seconds. So it's gonna take 3 seconds for it from start to end. Okay, I think 3 seconds is a lot of time. Let's do 1. Don't make it super fast. Stay. 30 means 3 seconds. That's usually a good time for this, for the animation to be displayed there. Okay. Clear. How do you want it to be clear? After when it goes to the second picture, you can choose how you want it to be exit. So if, let's say you have a motion, you can move down, so it goes like looping around. It's personal preference. Okay, so you can do this for instance, move up. Same thing, the speed for the clear, how fast do you want it. Let's add another picture here. Animation. So this is an animated file that I downloaded. Okay, look at it. That's it. All you have to do is double click the file and it's going to be fit within the screen because it's stretched. And that's it, it's going to fit the whole screen. So if you choose this center, you can even make it bigger. Zoom. Okay. Let's try to go online, download a picture that will be helpful. I'm going to show you how to do it. So go to Chrome, type in smokers. Okay. Let's say this picture. You like this picture, right? Click on it. Okay, right click. Or view image will be better. Save image as. Dump it in the folder. Okay. Save. That's it. So that picture is downloaded. You go back to the program. Let's minimize this one. Add a file here. Right there. That's the picture. Double click on it. It's on the screen. It's as simple as it is right now. Whether it's a picture, animation. Now, let's add a new flash file. So I'm gonna create a new flash file real quick, and then we can add it here. So okay, so I got 176 by 80. So that's a new program that I use for creating animations. Okay, so tags, spectacular signs, and a phone number. Okay, that looks good here. Background effect, fireworks. Okay, background. Let's put black color here. Spectacular signs and the phone number. So okay, text. Let's make it a little bigger. Okay, spectacular signs and font. That's too big. Okay, good enough. Publish, flash, okay. Let's call it spectacular signs. Spectacular signs. Okay, let's exit out here. So we created a flash file, we're gonna save it to this folder here, to the file window, correct? You take this one and you look for it. That HWF. This is it. Double click on it. So you have this pop-up window here. Okay. Now, how do you want it to be displayed? The flash is playing over here, right? Well, what do you have to do? Click full window to cover the whole entire screen. This is usual if the flash file that you created is different than the size of the display. But in this case, I did it the same size, so it doesn't really matter. Okay. And then you hit start, and then you like the animation to play. Once you want it to stop, okay, stop. That's it. And then you exit here. So here you go. That's it. Now let's say I want to move this all the way to the top, right? So click the arrow up, up, up. So now it's on the top of the list. This is how you display pictures. Same thing is for videos. Okay. Now let's name this file window. Okay. Call it pictures and animation. Okay, now notice as you start, what you're typing here, the name is appearing here. Okay, this is not you must do. It's just a good practice to name this. In the future, whenever you want to update this file, you just look at picture animations and then you see what's inside it here. Now let's add a step for the text. Click here, add a step. Click here, text window right there. Okay, so I'm gonna call it text folder. Okay, same thing. So add a text here. This is like Microsoft Word. Okay, so I would make it center here. Type in free banner. Okay, now notice it's in black. Select it, make it color. Oh. Now notice the size of it is not covering the whole screen. So let's drag here, drag. Now it's in the center, right? Okay, so make it bigger. Okay. Free banner with channel butter order. Okay. So now notice how it's like clarity. In order to make more spacing, that's line space here, right there. So okay. That's it. Now you want to make it a little smaller, you can. You have to still highlight, right? So now notice. See? Or you can make it bigger. It's automatically adjusting here. Now let's say you want the word channel. Okay, you want to make it different color. Okay. Highlight it, click here, choose a color that you want. Now it's in red. Okay. So you don't have to save or open or anything. Open if you want to import it from a different color you already created in the past. This is for the color, this is for the text. So let's say you want to make a different text. Highlight it, choose a different text. Okay. Okay, here you go. Now you can see it differently. This is for the size. This is bold, italic, underlined, bullet, centered. I usually like to use center because it's kind of center on the display. Okay. This is align to top, to the bottom, to the center of the page. Usually put in the center here. Line space is to adjust the spacing between the lines here. Action, same thing. You can choose whatever action you want it to open, move left, move right, down, etc. This is same thing like a picture. Choose animation, you can see it. Speed, how fast you want it to be displayed. How long you want it to stay. Let's put 30 seconds. 30 means 3 seconds. Same thing, the background now is set to black. Change it, you can do that. Okay. Now I highly recommend you, whenever you're choosing background, use a solid color. Don't use like a lemon yellow or something like that for the color to be appear for the color to appear really good and bright, use like solid colors, like red, green, blue, yellow, like the original color. Okay. Also, you can add a picture for background. So let's say this one. You can add this one. There you go. Okay. Now, you don't like this picture, you want to delete it. Highlight, backspace, it's gone. Okay. You can name it here. The banner. You don't have to save or anything. All we have to do is just type it in here. That's it. It's saved. Free banner. Let's add another one. LED open sign. 150 bucks. 150 size of 2 feet by 1 foot. Okay, so let's say I have this one, same thing, highlight it, center it, bold, bigger, couple spacing here to be more visible. That's it. Now let's say I'm like this, because this is full color, so this is red, green, blue. Okay, so now you have LED open sign 150. Okay. Animation, drop down for instance. This is it. This is how you display pictures. Okay. Now let's say you have promotions and you would like to split the screen like this one. You can split it where you have like something displaying on top and then you have certain messages underneath it. So add a step, new window, single line text window. You see here, let's put it up in the corner like this. Okay, usually I like to do it with code. So let's do 20 and 176. Okay. Now Memorial Weekend specials, since we're in Memorial Weekend. Okay, so this is single line. You can have a border color. Let's say this one. Let's copy. Okay. 3. Let's do it 1. Okay. And I like it red. And then this is the background. Okay, it's up there. You want it to scroll to the left or up, right? Let's do scroll to the left. Okay. Speed is stay. Do you want it to stay? No, put 0. Okay. Let's keep scrolling. Okay. Choose the font. I like the Arial, is fine. And then make it bold so to cover the whole display. Okay. Now let's display our promotions underneath it here. So you can either do picture or text. Let's do text for this example. Now keep in mind this is 20 here, right? And then the whole display is 80. So that means this has to be 60. 80 minus 1 is 60. Okay. By 176. That's it. And it starts at 20. It automatically knows because this one covers from here to here is 20. So you have to start from 20 to the 80. Okay, so go back here. Now let's add a text. What are you gonna say? Canvas frame for $100. Okay. Same thing, center, bolder, center it, couple spacing here. Canvas frame, picture. Okay, for $100. Okay. Canvas. Now notice you don't have to do it when you add the second one. This is already set up here. You can even lock it if you want, so you don't change it. Okay. And another one. Window signs. Start at $75. Okay. Okay, let's throw some colors here. Yeah. Okay. The animation is to drop down here. I want to stay 3 seconds. This one, let's double click it, drop down, stay 3 seconds. Okay, let's add another one. Okay. Christmas light. $1 piece per piece. Okay. See, this one is terrible. That's why I always like Arial, because it's easy to read. Arial black is fine. Let's just say stick R. Okay, here you go. Center it. Now let's put a background picture here if you wanted to. Okay, here you go. Call it Christmas light. Effect, drop down. Okay, change that to 3. This is done, it's fine. Okay, there you go. Okay, now let's add the timer, or let's add the clock. Add step, click here, date. Okay, now notice this is the size here. You can make it same size, 0 to 0, 176 by 8. Okay, now do you want this kind of clock, or do you want the digital one? Let's do digital one. Okay, these are the formats, the years. You can change what you want. Multiple lines if you want to do it 2 lines, or more than 1 line. Okay. Here, whatever you want to display, you can keep it checked. If you don't want to display it, let's say the day, uncheck it, it's gonna go. Okay, now we can make the font bigger. Okay, so this is today's date, 8 AM. You can change the color. Okay, that's it. What you have to do. Now, after you're done, you gotta connect to your asynchronous card. Okay, in order to do so, you click here help or check LED sign up. Once you click on this, the software is gonna search for your LED display for your Ethernet cable that's connected to your computer. In this case, I don't have it connected now, so and then once you choose it, okay, it's gonna appear here. After you're done, all you have to do is click this button here, send to LED sign, and that's it. That will do it for you. Now, if you wanna play for your animation before you send it to see it, all what you have to do is select the folder and then this one, preview current program page, and it shows you how it works, what's gonna happen here. Okay. Now let's go down with the animations. Okay. Now it tells you. So maybe I can make the top line a little bit faster to grab my attention. So speed is instead of 30, let's do it 10. That's how you adjust the clip. Now it's much faster. So it grabs more attention. That's it. If you guys have any question, please don't hesitate to call us at 313-903-9033 or visit the web at www.spectacularsigns.com. Thank you for watching.